I love being outdoors. I love running. I used to want to run to be fast, and then I got old. But there's something primeval about being connected to nature. And I think it gets lost with all our digital noise and attention that's drowning us. And the only way to really break that cycle is to get out there and do. Running to me just is another way to connect maybe a bit more deeply. Maybe it's the act of running that makes it difficult to be too kerfuffled or deep in thought. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's a great form of meditation, but there's something that's uncomplicated and simple about being in nature that allows the higher self to communicate. It allows your soul to permeate, and I think it raises your vibration. So to me, it's one of my go-to things that helps to ground me in who I am. And when I'm out here, you know, all those worries and problems, they just seem stupid, really. Tiny, weeny. I'm reminded of that thing you sometimes see that it's like a camera angle where you're focused internally and it goes out and zooms out and zooms out, and the camera's looking down on your town, looking down on your county, your country, your world. And then you think, wow, you know, my little financial problems, or the fact I upset someone, or somebody upset me, it's really, really, really tiny. So it's good healing. So I would encourage you to get out. It doesn't have to be running. It doesn't have to be in nature as such. But if you can be in a place that makes you calm and allows you to feel your true being and celebrate that, then I think we're always better for it. We've got a friend here. Hello. Hello. He doesn't worry about his bills, does he? Or she? Might worry about if he's pissed someone off, but that's why nature's so inspiring. Thank you for watching.